Hi team. So let's see what I'm going to talk today. And yes, you all are well aware this is the kind of video series where we are giving you information about types of store based on a category, correct? So three different category has been already uploaded. You can see that video definitely will have enough knowledge related to that particular category. So let's start. We will not wait. So yes, we have a types of store based on a category like food and beverages, fashion and accessories, hobbies and interest, religion and belief, home and living, unique store, health and wellness, area specific store, electronics and technology, sports and outdoor and services. If you find any other category, please let me know and definitely I'll add in my वीडियो। तो अभी तक हम लोगों ने जितना भी बात किया था कि किस किस प्रकार का स्टोर होना चाहिए और किस कैटेगरी से रिलेटेड होना चाहिए, तो उसमें मैंने 3 वीडियो ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दिया है, उसको आप देख सकते हैं। और आज की कैटेगरी देखते हैं क्या है। सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट टुडेज कैटेगरी एंड व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ स्टोव वी आर एडिंग। सो फूड एंड बेवरेजेस, so this is a universal need actually. Everywhere you need some kind of a kitchen, some kind of a restaurant, some kind of a very different things, unique, targeted one, correct? So let's see. So yes, of course, the first category comes supermarket and hypermarket. So this is all your life need product you can buy from this place related to your kitchen and all the thing, daily eat, smart eat, correct? Everything. Then convenience store. So again, these are the smallest store which is nearest to your home, and you can have like all kitchen need can be present. Then specialty food store like bakery, butcher, cheese shop, and charity. So these are the things are there. Then gourmet food store nowadays, it's a very famous. It's like gourmet is like something very artistry thing, something very fresh, something very you know organic and all the things. Then health food store. So again, nowadays also people are looking for the very healthy food where they can get a lot of protein, iron, calcium, and all the things. So you can open this store. Wine and spirit store. So well known nowadays. The older than gone where you had one small store and they had a two or three brand. Nowadays you have a mall of the wine, correct? You can get a lot of thing, many thing from many countries, different tastes, different choices and all the thing. Coffee shop and cafe, this is the basic, it was there in our culture. Now it's there in our society today also in a different mode. You have a lot of brands where you can sit to do the chit chat with your friend, relative and all the thing, and you can have many freedoms like free Wi-Fi and all the things, correct? Then bakery shops, so again, this is your day-to-day need. Candy store, juice bar, ice cream parlor, tea house, chocolate shop, food hall, farmers market, fish market, seafood store, daily meat market, correct? Organic farm to table store, international cuisine store like Asian, Italian, and Mexican. Then food subscription box. Then we have a kefir store, kombucha store, vegan, vegetarian store, gluten-free store, bulk food store, zero waste store, fermentation store, spice hub store. So I'll just give a more knowledge about the spice hub store. This is what a very basic thing for your entire day-to-day life. So if you can open a very good spice store, that will give you again a good business to your you know, company, correct? Then coffee roastery, craft brewery, distillery testing room, then middery, cedar house, wine bar, beer garden, food truck, pop-up food store. Pop-up food store is kind of only for the timing, just to do the branding for your food, nothing else. Artisanal food store, gourmet market, so again, international food store, health supplement store, and all the things. Then we have a smoothie juice bar. So this is very common and very less investment. Anywhere you can open. You need not to have a very specific area and all the thing because everybody wants this kind of a store. Donut shop, very famous. You go to the airport, railway station, malls, hypermarket, you will get this different kind of a taste, different kind of design and all the thing. Pastry shop, again same thing. Specialty coffee store. So this is like a niche requirement of the society where you get a grade of coffee, and yes, of course, you won't get anywhere. So that kind of a coffee store you can open. Tea specialty stores are very famous. Remember this? I'm from India, so in India, tea is like a something very basic need for each family. Correct. So you have enough tea shop, in your local area, in your city, and all the things. Chocolate making store, food education store. So food education store is also very famous, and it's a need of the current requirement. There are a lot of young people who wants to know how to cook the food and all the things. So you can open this store. They can come with their material and all the things. You just give instruction, tell him how to do, what to do, and when to do. Correct. Spice market store. Correct. Artisanal bakery store. Correct. Then gelato shop. Correct. Then frozen yogurt store, ice cream sandwich store, cookies store, cake shop, pie shop, muffin store, scone store, croissant store. These are all related to bakery item kind of thing. But you can have a special targeted stores. So if you say like a cake shop, so you'll get a different kind of a designer cake, story oriented cake shop, or particular something different kind of a constructed cake that you can relate to your marriage, either to your new home and all the things. Then bagel store, bagel cafe, coffee and donut shop, breakfast cafe, brunch spot. This is also very famous, but it's expensive also because you have to look for the bigger buffet area where you can have a breakfast plus lunch together, correct? Then lunch spot, dinner spot. So these are the very small things where you can have just like your truck shop, a kind of thing, a corner area where you can have a two or three menu in your restaurant and you can give to your customer. Dessert shop, so this is needed. I like, so you can see my face the moment I say dessert shop. Yes, candy making store. So this is again how to make, what to do, what are the material needed, and all the things. A lot of childrens will get attracted by this. Chocolate factory store, food tour store. So you can have a like a food tour store with a knowledge oriented kind of thing. What kind of food anywhere available in the world, how many types of food we have. Cooking class store, wine testing store, beer testing store, spirits testing store, coffee testing store, tea testing store, food pairing store, wine pairing store, beer pairing store, and spirits pairing stores. Then we have a catering store. So this is also a bigger segment, a lot of investment needed for this. Event planning store. So yes, here like you are going to work as a consultant, part-time at the full-time, and you can have a lot of supports things. Party supply store. So again, it's a part of event. Wedding cake store, custom cake store, bakery supply store, pastry supply. So this is a basic thing. Suppose you want to open a bakery shop, so you need a supply, correct? You need a raw material. You need a different kind of add-on where you can show your product. My product is different from others. So you need this kind of a supply store. Candy supply store, chocolates supply store, food packaging store. This is very important. You cannot ignore. Food storage store, kitchen supply store, cooking utensil store. This is again, cooking utensil store is also very common need, but everywhere you won't get. In a city, maybe one or two stores will be present. Correct. And most of the time, if you want to see the specific focus cooking utensil store, you need to go to your metro cities, either the big city where they have their store. Correct. Cookware store, tableware store, glassware store, then barware store, wine accessories store, beer brewing supplying store, and home brewing supply store. So these are the 100 types of a store which is related to food and beverages. So here what I am trying to tell you is not only this much store you can have related to food and beverages. This only I'm giving you an idea where you can think more. What exactly you can do when you're opening a shop. See, I'll tell you one more thing. In my older video also I said, do not open more than a combination of one or two, or maximum three combination you can have in your store, correct? To survive for the longer time. But you have to work on. You have to find out. Suppose you have chosen like a barware store you want to open, either cake store or hypermarket or departmental store, something which is related to food. You need to do the R&D, research and development. Then only you can go. One more thing I said you in my all the videos, always remember you should have a working capital for 2 years to 3 years. Then only you can know whether you can survive or not. Yes, I have today cold, so you are getting that my nose sound and all the things. So I'm really sorry for that. तो देखिए अभी तक जितना भी मैं आपको बात बता रहा हूँ सो अगेन व्हाट एवर आई सेड इन इंग्लिश आई एम टेलिंग यू इन हिंदी नथिंग एल्स तो अभी क्या है कि आपको पता है आपको मैंने एक आइडिया दे दिया कि फूड और बेवरेजेस से संबंधित कितने स्टोर हो सकते हैं करेक्ट कितने प्रकार के हो सकते हैं आपको एक आइडिया भी आ गया कि कितना बड़ा स्टोर हम ओपन कर सकते हैं करेक्ट। देन कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, कितने एम्प्लॉय लगेंगे, करेक्ट, किस एरिया में हम ओपन कर सकते हैं, कौन से स्टोर हर जगह काम करेंगे, करेक्ट। सो लाइक कुछ भी जो लंच बनाना हो, डिनर के संबंधित चीजें हो, खाने कहीं भी आप ओपन कर सकते हैं, जहां भी लोग रह रहे हैं ये सारे स्टोर ओपन हो सकते हैं और आप अच्छा कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। और क्या-क्या, किन-किन बातों का ध्यान देना चाहिए, इससे संबंधित मैंने एक वीडियो अपलोड किया था कि हाउ टू अर्न प्रॉफिट फॉर द नेक्स्ट 100 years, 100 साल तक कैसे प्रॉफिट कमाएं, इससे भी संबंधित एक वीडियो अपलोड किया था मैंने, जो आप डाउनलोड करके देख सकते हैं, या फिर ऑन यूट्यूब ऑल्सो इट्स अवेलेबल। सो याद रखिएगा, किसी भी प्रकार का आप स्टोर खोले, आप देखिए कि उस प्रोडक्ट को खरीदने वाले लोग हैं कि नहीं मार्केट में। एक चीज और याद रखिएगा, अगर आपको लगे कि आपके शहर में ये स्टोर नहीं है, तो ये गारंटी नहीं कि आप वो स्टोर ओपन कर दें। आपको बहुत सारा चीज देखना है, जैसे वहां का कैपिटल वैल्यू क्या है, लोग कितना कमाते हैं, लोग कितना खर्च कर सकते हैं, करेक्ट। तो इन सब बातों का भी हमें ध्यान देना चाहिए। एक बात और समझिएगा कि जैसे मान लीजिए कि मैं मेट्रो सिटी में काम कर रहा हूँ, तो हो सकता है कि मैं मेट्रो सिटीज वाला फैशन वाला टेस्ट आई नीड इन माई विलेज ऑल्सो। Correct. See, right now I'm working in a metro city and I need a similar kind of a test in my village. If somebody comes and open this kind of a store, then definitely I'll buy. Definitely I'll tell to my father, mother, my relative, please go to that store and enjoy this kind of food. Correct. So ये सब चीजों को आपको थोड़ा ध्यान देना चाहिए और चीजों को समझना चाहिए. So for today only this much from my side. Then definitely I'm going to come with another video related to the types of store. Still, it's not over. There are a lot of category which I need to complete, but and I have in mind that I should not take a lot of time also. So remember, guys, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ आपको कि ये सारे स्टोर ओपन कर ले या इन सारे स्टोर को आप ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो आप बिजनेस कीजिए, लेकिन ऐसे स्टोर को सेलेक्ट कीजिए, ऐसे शॉप को सेलेक्ट कीजिए जो आपको बिजनेस 365 डेज दे. तो फूड एंड बेवरेजेस का ऐसा बिजनेस होता है कि आपको 365 डेज बिजनेस देगा. तो कभी कम कभी ज्यादा हो सकता है, बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदर, बिकॉज ऑफ द सर्टेन इंसिडेंट एंड ऑल द थिंग यू कैन मे लूज सम बिजनेसेस, बट these food beverages business are for 365 days. Remember this. Yes, Akes. Yes, supply can be less, so you can face a lot of issue like vegetables are not there, and because of the weather some vegetables are not available, some spices are not available, price has gone up and all the thing. Correct. So these are the things will be there. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही मेरे तरफ से. आप सभी लोग को धन्यवाद, और नया वीडियो लेकर जरूर आऊंगा मैं. अभी तक ये सीरीज खत्म नहीं हुआ है, और इसके बाद भी कुछ नए टॉपिक है मेरे पास जिस पे मैं वर्कआउट कर रहा हूँ, एंड आई विल बी कीप ऑन एडिंग. सो आप सभी लोगों का धन्यवाद. अगर आपको मेरा चैनल पे कुछ बातें अच्छी लगी तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, या फिर किसी और को भी शेयर कर दें. सो थैंक्स फॉर टुडे, एंड विल कम बैक अगेन.